Jungle.
In WordPress website, how to create a new menu. Today I will show you. Just log in your website backend. Sometimes it called dashboard. Whatever it is, just log in your website. Just find the appearance. Then click menus. Create a new menu. Click on create a new menu. In this box, menu name, put your menu name. I am typing my menu name. After that, click on create menu in right side. Our menu is created. All menu now showing in this tab. To add menu item, just by default in left side some item available, most recent. Just I am check this blog about contact us. After that, just I will click add to menu. It will be added in the menu item. Click here. Look, 3 item now added. Blog, contact us about. You can up and down just by drag and drop. Here menu settings, just choose where you want to see your menu. I am select primary menu. Here others option also available, just shows your option according to you. After that, just click on save menu. Our menu is created. Refresh our site. Look, our menu now appear. I select primary menu. That's why it's showing here. If you want to change the menu position, you can do it. Few minutes later, I will show you how can you change this. And now I am showing you, if you want to add new post in your menu, you can do it. How you can? Just check this box and click add to new, add to menu. And if you want to put your custom link, you can do it in here, URL link. If you don't want any link, then just put hash button. Then you can add text. So now look, Google is come here. So again, click on save menu and go to the site and refresh the site. Look, Google. In this Google, we will add 2 sub item. So how you can do it? Go to again dashboard. In the dashboard, we will add 2 sub item in the Google. So most used, just I am check this box. 1, just whatever it is, 1, 2, 3, then click here 2 item. By just drag and dropping, if you place it a little bit right, then it will be add as a sub item. Now 10 tips to our sub item by under the Google. Here custom link, you can edit the link, and also if you want to remove, you can do it and change the name. I'll put it name the categories and click save menu. Go to the site and refresh the site again. Our 2 item is added. So guys, you can see, if you want to delete any item from the menu, how you will do it? Just go to the website backend again and click on which item you want to remove. Just click here. Just I want to delete this. Just click on remove. our item is removed. After that you have to click on save menu. So guys, it is one option. If you want to learn another option, how to edit the menu or create the menu, here it is number 2. Just go to the appearance and click customize. This kind of tab will come in front of you. Just then click on header, then select the header style where you want to place your menu item. Now our menu item in left. If you want to our menu item the right or center, you can do it from here. By default some option here, just select your option and after that just click on publish. You can also sticky menu. Now a sticky menu is gone. Now again come sticky menu. So it is very simple and easy how to create a menu, and it's super easy. So thanks for watching. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section.